Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of pool maintenance with what we believe is the best solution for keeping your solar cover in check: the Solar Cover Reel Attachment Kit by ANTOBLE. Now, if you're a pool owner like me, you know the struggle of dealing with unruly pool covers. Wrangling them on and off can be a hassle, but fear not. ANTOBLE has come to the rescue with their Universal Solar Cover Reel Attachment Kit. Let's talk features. This kit is designed for in-ground pools and works like a charm on solar pool covers ranging from 10 to 24 feet in width and 8 mm to 16 mm in thickness. That's versatility you can count on. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need to secure your cover with ease. 8 adhesive nylon straps and tabs, 8 cord plates, and 8 buckles make up this comprehensive kit. And guess what? It's compatible with all manufactured in-ground reel systems, so you're covered no matter what setup you have. Installation is a breeze. Simply attach the straps to your cover, loop them through the cord plates, buckle them up, and voila! Your cover is securely fastened to the reel system, ready to tackle whatever the elements throw its way. But what about durability? Well, ANTOBLE has you covered there too. Constructed with high-quality materials, these straps are built to withstand the rigors of daily use, ensuring your cover stays put for seasons to come. So, if you're tired of wrestling with your pool cover every time you want to take a dip, do yourself a favor and grab the Solar Cover Reel Attachment Kit by ANTOBLE. With its universal compatibility, easy installation, and unbeatable durability, it's the best pool cover straps and clips on the market, hands down. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on products that make life a little easier. Until next time, happy swimming!